So moving on to our next segment, which is another interesting one. It's a new kind of concept I'm going to throw out. It's really what I'm going to call myth busting. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to give each of you 30 seconds per myth, and we'll take turns kind of going around on each of these ones. And I have a few that I want to kind of throw out there, and let's see how it kind of goes. So the first one that's going to come up for topic is going to be cloud is more expensive. Now, I'm going to chime in on this one. And, because from an experience perspective in regards to conversations that I've had with clients, when you factor in hardware, maintenance, and downtime, the cloud now is going to shift its spend from reactive to something that's more strategic. So that's the kind of mindset, that I'm kind of going at it. Anton, how do you see that from your perspective?
To add to what you've said, so not to repeat, I would also say, once you also add the fact that you can have a test environment when you want, that you're also getting the latest technology every time the new technology is up and running, you're getting automatically refreshed the hardware in place, then it's a no-brainer. And because all these factors that you've said, Corey, and that I've added to, those are additional costs which you'll see them throughout the years. When you add them all together, they're going to be far more expensive than doing them.